Hello guys, this is my first video and we're playing Marble Rider, and I played before. It's kind of fun, and let's get gameplay on. Whoa, lag, freezing. Okay, let me put some volume here. I'll pause the video and I will come back. I'm back and let's do some gameplay. Okay. Ninja rolling around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've earned 1 player point. You can check my channel. It's called Blockmot1234, and you can check my Blockmot account. It's the same channel thing. So yeah. This is my new channel. I'll put a link in the description. Well, or I might not. Okay. Ninja strike! Oh no. This fell off the world. Okay. Fell off the world. Okay. I can only record this for 10 minutes. So yeah. You can put in the link description what you want me to play next, or I'll just play random games. This is like a roller coaster. Oh. Going kind of laggy because I'm recording. Give me that player point. Yeah, 1 player point. I used to have like 1,000 player points. I don't know if I do. If you want to play this game, I'll put a link in the description. If you really want to play this. I don't know. Damn, it's laggy. Oh no. Oh god. Fell out. Whoa. I survived. I survived. Trying to go there. It's not letting me. I'm gonna die. Yep. Or not. I'm gonna live. Bye-bye. Let me go through that whole wormhole. Lag. Volcano! Through a circle! And I die. Oh god, it's so laggy. I think I might make other videos today. Or maybe not. Got up there once, but not anymore. Oh yeah, look at Ninja. fish mouth. Give me the boost. Come on. Woohoo. Whoa. I'm rolling so fast. Ghost Rider. Yeah, give me the boost. What the? Potato? What was that? Tacos? Taco? It's raining tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and meat. Whatever. Ooh. Lag. Have to go to that fish mouthfish. He needs some food. I never been to that fish mouth. It's hard to go there. No. Okay. Whoa, lag. Let's go up here. Lag. Oh, I hate that song. It's too old for me. I mean, it's too, like, I don't know, I just can't explain it. Oh, I can move. Let's go. Like a ninja, rolling around. Doesn't he ever get it dizzy? No. Oh, lucky. Lucky ninja. Coming soon. Oh, right off. What do I have in my backpack? I'm gonna stop the video for now. If you like the videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and yeah. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh, I didn't even notice. I just okay. So you can like, favorite, and subscribe, and have a good day. Yeah. Bye. Peace out.